My name is Rebecca Schubert, and my presentation is on prescriptive analytics in the wine industry. I apologize for the video format. I've been having some technical issues, which made it hard to record on my computer. So first of all, wineries are a business, so they can benefit a lot from data analytics, but data analytics are underutilized in this industry. It wasn't until recently when companies started using internal data instead of third-party data to help optimize wineries. Wineries have to track shipments, select a product mix, and do a lot more that could all be optimized through data analytics, similar to some of the transportation and shipment problems we've seen in class. Another problem that wineries face is perfecting their flavor matrix. It's often really difficult to find the right balance of chemical compounds while creating a flavor profile for a particular wine because there's so much that goes into it and thousands of chemicals. Here's where prescriptive analytics comes in. The decision variables are the amount of each chemical compound to include in a flavor profile. As I said before, thousands of compounds go into a single wine, and it's really complicated to try and figure out how much of each to put in on your own, but computers can optimize this combination so it's not just trial and error. The objective is to maximize taste. So this function is based on tasting data, and there's actually this new technology where there are AI sommeliers. Usually it takes years and tons of school, and only a few people make it to the level of master sommelier because it takes just so much knowledge of the wine industry to get there. But now there are AI sommeliers, so computers that can taste wine and make recommendations and analyze taste at like a far higher level than a person could, which is really exciting. The constraints are the ingredients. Wine is typically made from grapes and yeast. Even though wineries can use different kinds of grapes and different varieties of yeast, these ingredients typically contain specific ratios of chemical compounds that you can't really change. So data analytics in action in this industry. Analytics is a company that was founded in 2016, and it uses prescriptive analytics to optimize winery operations. Even though they're a relatively new company, they've recently gotten some big clients and have started to really popularize helping wineries figure out which wines are most popular in different regions, shipment issues, and a lot of stuff like that. Another company, Tastry, is helping consumers pick different wines. So they have some kiosks in grocery stores and an app, and it uses machine learning to quantify taste preferences. So that's AIs that try different wines and quantify or put into numbers what people like and what they don't. These AIs can actually predict how wines will do at different price points in different stores. And Tastry can also predict how customers will respond to wine and which wines they will prefer based on just a short survey. So the customers don't even have to have tried wine before, but Tastry can help them figure out what they'll like. So other implications, the same process can be used for coffee, beer, kombucha, and even food. As this is implemented, we could see big changes in the food and beverage industry over the next several years, which I see is really exciting. And just the idea of having an app that when you don't know where you want to go for dinner, like the app can pick it for you based on your preferences and figure out like the exact perfect meal for you just seems so exciting. All right, thank you.